How to set Work Your Profile on your Android device. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to set up a work profile on your Android device. A work profile helps you keep your personal and work apps separate, ideal if you use one phone for both. Let's get started. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Google. Once in it, then, make sure the correct Google account is selected. Now, scroll to the bottom and tap on Set up your work profile. Tap Next to continue. Your device will now download the necessary files. Allow all permissions when prompted to ensure everything functions correctly. You'll need a code from your IT administrator. Either scan the code using your phone's camera or tap Enter Code manually and type it in. That's it. You've now successfully set up a work profile on your Android phone. Your personal and professional apps are now securely separated for better privacy and organization. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.